Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best crossbody bag for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best crossbody bag for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Crossbody bags have become a staple in modern fashion, offering both style and practicality. Ideal for hands-free convenience, these bags are perfect for daily outings, travel, or casual events. When selecting a crossbody bag, consider size and capacity. If you carry just the essentials, like your phone, wallet, and keys, opt for a smaller design. For those needing extra storage, choose a larger model with compartments for organization. Material is another crucial factor. Leather bags offer durability and a classic look, while canvas or nylon options are lightweight and water-resistant, making them great for outdoor activities. Consider the season and your personal style when making a choice. Adjustable straps are a key feature, allowing you to customize the fit for comfort. Look for padded options if you plan to carry heavier items. Additionally, choose a bag with a secure closure. Zippers and magnetic snaps offer better security than open tops. Finally, don't forget about aesthetics. Crossbody bags come in various colors, patterns, and designs. Pick one that complements your wardrobe and reflects your personal style. In summary, a crossbody bag is a versatile accessory that balances functionality and fashion. By considering size, material, strap adjustability, and style, you can find the perfect bag to suit your needs. Happy shopping! Thanks for watching the video.